The last time I would say, what done for an Akufo-Addo and Kayedame.
Oh, that's my downfall. I'm the president.
Maybe I was frail after say be a Ukufi.
Forget it.
You forgot to say Nyado Befrewana.
No, sir. No, sir. After this, I'm saying now, no, COVID-19 by no a committee to look into the manufacture of vaccines. No, all family to be the chairman of that committee. No, because of what happened before. No, COVID-19 was a deadly disease. We were fighting a war. It's a fighting war. Even the president can call his enemies to come and help in the fight of that war. So I joined, and we did a very good job. And when I saw that we had done our job, I wrote to him and said that the time has come for me to leave the committee. And I don't expect him to come. Because to me right now, I'm in court with Tagoshi. Report to them. So they are in court. And the case has not yet finished. She said, and no, I'll be careful about what I say about Galamsey.
Oh, okay. Then say, Metuasia, Wadaruma, and Akufo-Addo right now, dear Untimin Kasa down for no.
How can the president be your friend? President, you're a president. Now we are a person. Yeah, why invite you to serve in his government at his own pleasure. So he can hire you or fire you. Nobody can say, president, enough will be for more outside the government. Not in you. So nobody should, a minister should say, president is not enough. No, I don't consider it at all.
There is a say, and I make as I want your president be a winina, my retirees, and an person me busaze, over classifying the same.
I'm working hard, in the hospital, setting up things, doing many things. I'm not retired.
So I practice it, Padarma.
Yes, seriously.